Morning, everyone. It's Tuesday, the 26th, so I hope everybody had a nice holiday weekend. Just some quick announcements, reminders to wrap up some stuff. I had heard that you may have gotten some information regarding returning materials to school. I haven't gotten that yet, but if you guys have, the basic understanding is that you'll be called in on a certain date, and over the course of the next 2 weeks, you'll need to return your books. You're going to hang on to your Chromebooks, as far as I know. But for our class, I need the West and the World, your textbook. I need your green book, Discovering the Western Past. And I need your, if you sign one out, the AP review book. So 3 books should be returned. I don't know if I'm going to be there. They've been very vague about allowing teachers back in and that kind of stuff. So I may be seeing you in real life in a couple weeks, maybe not. But whenever that date is, whatever date you're scheduled for that, please make sure you take care of your books and get those in, because I do need those for future classes. Reminder, again, you see the sheet here, the tasks required. Most of you have done this, some of you have not. This was due on the 19th, so we're well beyond that. But please take care of your rescue packet. Remember, pages 3, 4, 11, and 12. However you've been doing it has been working fine. People have been taking pictures. People have been scanning, and that's been working fine. So as soon as I get those, usually I immediately take a look at them and put them to Skyward. So please, if you haven't done that, get that done. The second point there is get missing work in. We were going fast and furious there up for the exam, and you may have missed something, but let's get this taken care of now. Let's get this taken care of this week, please. Because I said in the next couple of weeks, you're going to be returning stuff. You're not, it's going to be even more hectic in many respects. So please, I'm not assigning anything new. Get this stuff done. So take a look at Skyward. If you submitted something and I missed it, just send me an email. It's not a big deal. But let's get this taken care of. The last thing that I assigned last week was the 2 movie requirement. Some of you have done it. Most of you have not. So I just want to show you an example, if I can. Someone shared this with me today, and this is all I need. So this person was watching the Da Vinci Code. I'm trusting and assuming that if you're going to take the time to take a picture of that, you're going to actually watch the movie. I don't know what service this is on, but again, that was one of their choices. You don't need to do a write-up. You don't need to give me a review. All I want you to do is sit and watch the movie. Preferably, it would be great if you could do it with mom or dad or somebody else. But you don't have to do that. Remember, the Da Vinci Code and the Angels and Demons, as I put in Inferno, that's totally fictional stuff. It's very conspiratorial. It's somewhat laughable. But again, the scenery is awesome. The locations are awesome. The Da Vinci Code opens in the Louvre, for example, and you're going to see images of stuff that you've been familiar with. So I like those movies because it's, in many respects, a sightseeing movie. But there's lots of other movies that you can see on there. I just watched one last night called Bridge on the River Kwai. So that is on the list, and I've seen it probably 15 times, but I watched it again last night for Memorial Day. Anyway, so please get that taken care of. I don't think it's that strenuous of a project. Again, if you have an issue with a streaming service or something like that, please let me know, and I can guide you to some things on YouTube that are worth your time. And again, it's supposed to be sort of an enjoyable final project. So please get those to me. Some of you have, most of you have not yet at this point. Lastly, today I'm going to get your DBQ responses. They come out at 1 o'clock. I know I said initially I was going to score them today and get them in. When they said that it's going to be in my AP classroom, that maybe that's a really clunky site on my end. It's probably clunky on yours, but so give me until tomorrow for that. But I'll take a look at them and score them, and again, just check Skyward to see your scores. Now, again, I don't know how accurate they're going to be. I'm basing it off on what I know as being a push reader. But they might, the rubrics haven't been set yet. The actual training documents haven't been set. That doesn't take place until next week. But I have a pretty good idea, I think. So it's not going to be totally indicative of your eventual score, but you have a pretty good idea. And again, we don't know what the cut score is going to be yet. Again, we were shooting for, 5, 6, 7s. I think we're pretty safe in there. 6 and 7 for sure. So I'll take a look at those later this afternoon or tomorrow morning. Again, if you want bonus points on that, and I will go above 10, get your rescue packet or your art history review packet, or both. Get those in. Most of you have, but some of you have not yet. So really, moving forward this week, the big things is get the movies in. For those of you who have missing work, get that stuff in. And make sure that your rescue packet is in so that I can give you some extra credit on your AP exam. And then obviously we'll probably have something to talk about after I see the responses. And then the next step really is getting your books in. And that's out of my hand. That's not under my control. So you're gonna have to check your school email for that. But again, as always, if there's questions, shoot me an email regarding that. And other than that, I will hopefully see you soon. Take care.